Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a video on cure for the hiccups. So, first thing you want to do, if you can't get rid of your hiccups, hold your breath for 24 seconds. Okay, if you hiccup during that, here's another cure. Hold your nose, got it out. And swallow all your water in one gulp. And I'm also going to do, that's a cure for my hiccups, that's the only ones I know. But I've still got a full glass of water here, let me just top that up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drink this whole glass of water in one gulp. Subscribe to me for this, please. So remember to subscribe, comment on this video. Please keep them clean though. And like this video. So bye!